I founded the company in the early 60s. The entry into the market was difficult and it was hard to go out and sell. After a year and a half, it began to develop little by little. At that time, my husband and I were working hard to make a future for ourselves and to raise our family.
In our work, we obsess to take care of every detail, to look for excellence. Everything has to add to make sure our customers get the highest quality result. In Beltá Frajumar, we're always in constant movement. An example of this is our exclusive Living the Hospitality showroom, which surprises even the most demanding visitor. Every piece produced by Beltá Frajumar is a new challenge. We don't do a mechanical work. We make completely handmade pieces, where the expert hands give the touch to our creations. What makes us different is to be a family business that has the energy of a totally involved team that gives the best of itself. Our motto is the differentiation, the quality and the experience that we've gained by working with the best. We'll continue innovating until we reach the most difficult challenge of all: fulfill your dreams. Although the faces are changing, the same spirit is maintained, renewed and prepared to face new challenges.